Mutton Kofta balls. It's a very yummy recipe. Everyone loves it taste for sure. These are the ingredients. Watch this video fully and try this out. Subscribe Ammis Kitchen. 100 grams small onions. 1 cup coriander stems. 2 teaspoon ground. 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. 1/2 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Add coriander leaves for flavor. One cup sliced coconut. 250 grams finely minced mutton. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Red chili powder as required. One teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Blend them all together without water. Add salt to taste. Make balls of required size. Heat the pan and add required oil to fry. Wait till oil gets heated. Fry mutton balls in hot oil. Fry till it gets cooked. This recipe tastes good with white rice, chapati, pilaf, etc. This recipe suits well as an evening snack and can be easily made during some special events and parties. Feel free to post your valuable thoughts in comments section. Share this recipe video with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe Ammis Kitchen now. Our yummy mutton kofta balls are ready to serve.